Welcome to this explainer. We're closing out Module 4 on free and open source software for SMEs today, and we're zeroing in on an incredibly unique tool that, honestly, might just save your sanity. It's called Leantime. Have you ever felt totally intimidated by complex software that's packed with jargon just to track your everyday work? Yeah, you're definitely not alone. The problem is, most project management tools are built assuming you already understand formal project management concepts. And let's be real, that creates a massive roadblock for the rest of us. Okay, let's dive into our roadmap for rescuing your projects from complete chaos and getting your team fully aligned. We are going to hit the project management problem, meet Leantime, talk about strategy before execution, look at the real-world impact, and wrap up with making the switch. Section 1, the project management problem. We really have to start by identifying exactly why so many small business owners and startup founders struggle so much with organizing their tasks. It basically comes down to a massive mismatch. You've got tools built for specialists, throwing concepts at you like Gantt dependencies and sprint velocity, right? But for a small team without dedicated project managers, these traditional platforms are just way too intimidating. So what happens? We end up avoiding structured project management entirely and rely on messy spreadsheets, sticky notes, and pure memory. And honestly, that is just a recipe for dropped balls and missed deadlines. Section 2, meet Leantime. Fortunately, there is a tailor-made solution designed specifically to bridge this exact gap. Released under the GPL license, meaning it's free to self-host, Leantime is an approachable platform built explicitly for people without formal PM training. It was literally designed from the ground up to strip away all that pretense and focus only on what you actually need to get things done effectively. It's been developed since 2019 with accessibility in mind, combining strategic goal setting with standard Kanban boards for your day-to-day execution. But what is truly unique here is how Leantime actively teaches you project management concepts. It uses built-in tooltips and plain language reporting dashboards as you encounter them. So you get clear milestone tracking for major phases without ever needing to decipher dense project management jargon. It's like having a project manager sitting right there with you. Section 3, strategy before execution. The absolutely crucial point here is that Leantime forces you to pull back and zoom out before you get lost in the weeds of daily tasks. It isn't just about checking off a to-do list. It's about making sure your team is actually tackling the right work. Let's look at how this builds step by step. Unlike tools that just dump you into a list of tasks, Leantime places an unusual emphasis on a specific sequence. First, you use the ideas and canvas tools for early-stage brainstorming. Then, you set your goals to define clear objectives and success criteria. Only after those strategic foundations are laid down do you move into the Kanban boards for your day-to-day task execution. I really cannot stress this enough. If you just jump straight to the task boards, you are completely missing the strategic planning superpower that makes this tool so perfect for small businesses. Skipping these early-stage modules absolutely robs you of the very clarity Leantime was built to provide. Moving on to Section 4, the real-world impact. To really understand the value here, let's look at a real-world scenario involving a solo startup founder managing a product launch. By utilizing Leantime's built-in guidance, this founder was able to translate vague launch ideas into a highly structured, manageable plan. They noted feeling far more in control of the launch process compared to their previous ad hoc attempts using spreadsheets. They basically used the goals module to clearly define success criteria before breaking the work into specific tasks, and that fundamentally changed how they approached the launch. The transformation from scattered chaos into an organized system is pretty stark. What used to be ad hoc planning and vague guesses quickly became clearly defined success criteria and a realistic milestone timeline. It empowers non-specialists to monitor major project phases without needing an ounce of Gantt chart expertise. Structured task lists replace scattered spreadsheets. It's just a total game changer. And looking at the economics, the difference is staggering. A typical small team using a mid-tier plan on a platform like Monday.com is paying around $150 a month because of per-user subscription fees. Contrast that with self-hosting Leantime on a standard PHP environment. That runs roughly $15 to $30 a month for the server infrastructure. That single decision represents an annual saving over $1,000. And you're actually getting strategic planning tools that those expensive competitors completely leave out. Even if you choose the official Leantime cloud-hosted version, it still generally undercuts comparable pricing from the major commercial platforms. Section 5, making the switch. If you're convinced it's time to upgrade and finally ditch those spreadsheets, let's talk about the practicalities of getting your team onboarded. Now, it is important to know the limitations before jumping in. You've got modest PHP-compatible hosting requirements, or you can use the official cloud version. But keep in mind, Leantime trades the advanced dependency management of a tool like OpenProject for a noticeably gentler learning curve. It lacks those complex Gantt dependencies, and the reporting is less granular. You're also working with a smaller community ecosystem. Basically, if you have very complex projects, they might eventually outgrow it. But if it is the right fit for you, the transition is incredibly smooth. Day one is just server setup, which takes under an hour. Because of its highly approachable nature, most small teams can successfully export their task data from old systems, establish pilot project goals in week one, and complete a full workflow transition within just 2 to 3 weeks. Plus, keeping your data secure and under your control is a huge perk here. Self-hosting keeps all of your sensitive, early-stage strategic planning data entirely within your own infrastructure, secured by role-based permissions. When you're brainstorming the unreleased future of your business, having total ownership of that data is an absolute must. As your usage matures, the platform grows with you. You can sync Milestones with calendar applications, utilize the REST API for custom integrations, or even export time tracking data to accounting tools like Accounting or Invoice Ninja. A quick pro tip though, I definitely recommend introducing time logging to your teams gradually so they can build the habit without feeling totally overwhelmed. Overall, Leantime is really the standout pick for founders and small business owners without formal project management training. Ultimately, this guided approach to project strategy can genuinely be the difference between your team adopting structured planning or just avoiding it altogether out of intimidation. It delivers incredible functionality per dollar spent and serves most SME needs beautifully. And that wraps up Module 4 on project and task management. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss our next module, where we'll shift gears and explore Rocket.chat, which is a fantastic free Slack alternative for communication and collaboration. So are you ready to ditch the spreadsheets and start planning your projects like a pro? The official demo is free to explore right now on their website. Ask yourself, if you could reclaim all the hours currently lost to Project Chaos, what would your business actually be able to achieve? Jump in, take control of your next big launch, and I will see you in the next explainer.